ragazzi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Benedetta and today I'm gonna show you not one recipe, but 3 recipes for soups. Yes, because for me autumn is a soup season and I thought it could be nice to have 3 different varieties of soup. Something super easy, something more classic and also something exotic. So you can choose which one you prefer to try at home. Let's get started. For the first soup, slice thinly a white onion. In a pot, let melt a little bit of butter with a tablespoon of water. Once butter is melted, then you can add the onion and cook them. They don't have to become golden, just a slightly color. Apart, in another pot, warm up some milk. When they're nice soft, then you can add the warm milk. Salt and keep cooking at a medium heat at least for 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on the milk to avoid it comes out. Meanwhile, I toast on a hot pan some bread cubes until they become golden brown color. And here we are, our first soup, onion with milk soup, is ready to be served. Complete with some grated Parmigiano Reggiano and a little bit of black pepper. Let's move to our second soup. Slice 1 onion and a clove of garlic. Now it's time for pumpkin. It's autumn soup, right? Peel the pumpkin and also cut it in cubes. In a big casserole, let melt 30 grams of butter. Add the sliced onion and garlic. When they're translucent, you can add the pumpkin cubes. Stir everything and then add the milk and water. Salt to taste, black pepper, a little bit of nutmeg. Then cover the casserole and let it cook, at least for 20 minutes, or until the pumpkin is quite soft. Add the rest of butter, cream, and the sweet dry wine. Apart from the stove, it's time to blend our soup. You can use sweet dry port wine or any other sweet licorice wine you can have at home. Slice Gorgonzola Dolce and place the cheese at the bottom of the plate. Pour the hot soup over the Gorgonzola, so the heat will melt the cheese and combine it with the pumpkin soup. And here we are, time to serve our second soup. Pumpkin cream with Gorgonzola cheese. Last but not least, we're going to make something more exotic. First of all, let's clean our shrimp. Remove the shell and the intestine when it's present. It's exactly in the middle of the shrimp, usually a long, dark line. Leave the shrimp with the tail and set them aside. Chop finally some fresh basil and combine into a bowl the basil with some curry, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. Add the shrimps, combine everything, and let them marinate at least for an hour. Slice the shallots and cook them into a pot where you previously melt some butter together with olive oil. In this case I use canned peas, so of course my cooking time is shorter than when you use fresh peas. If you use canned peas as me, simply add a little bit of water and let it cook for 15-20 minutes. If you are going to use fresh peas, then let them cook at least for 40 minutes, until they are soft. It's time again to blend our soup. As you can see, it's creamy, smooth, but let me tell you, I didn't go crazy to blend everything perfectly, so if there is some pieces, it's not a big deal. It's time to fry our shrimps in a hot pan, super quickly. Add a little bit of brandy. And when the brandy is evaporate, move the shrimps into a baking tin and complete the cooking into the oven at 200 degrees for just 5 minutes. Add a little bit of butter to your soup, stir, and it's time to serve. Our creamy peas soup with curry shrimps. Complete with a drop of extra virgin olive oil. If you liked these recipes, thumb up and let me know which one is your favorite. Buon appetito!